Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make spoiler text on Discord. So it's pretty simple. So I'm going to be teaching you guys so basically what spoiler text is. So let's say you're talking about a movie and you don't want to spoil it for those people who haven't watched it, but you want to talk with the people who have already watched it. So by adding spoiler text, you can blur the text, and to view the text the person has to click on the text to unblur it. So that's basically what spoiler text is. It's basically like spoiler image. Let me show you guys over here. So this is spoiler image over here. I can't see anything. I need to click on it once to see it. So that's basically what spoiler text is also, but instead of the image it's going to be text over here. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do it. But before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So to add a spoiler text, basically you need to write text between these two lines. So this is two straight line. This is not I, okay? This is two straight line. This is I, this is capital I, and this is the straight line, all right? Look at, it's bigger than the capital I as well. So it has to be straight line, all right? Find the straight line symbol on your keyboard. Mine's right above my enter key, so your straight line key could also be right above enter key. So search for it. After you search for the straight line key, just type the straight line key like this, and again type it. Now right in the middle of the straight line key, enter your word. As you guys can see, a bit of blur comes out of there, so whatever thing I write over here, it's gonna be blurred. So let's say spoiler alert. So if I write the image between them and I press on enter, as you guys can see, the word is blurred. Now to view it, I need to click on it. So that's basically how we do it. So let me show it again. Two line space two line. Now the word written between these two lines are gonna be blurred. So let's say enter, and it's blurred. A person has to click on it to view it. So that's basically how you guys can make blurry words or spoiler words in Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.